Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the recurring transaction or transfer to the spending tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the setting button down below and click on recurring, which is the fifth option. Tap on the plus icon at the top and select whether it is a transaction or a transfer, and then you should target a ledger, then select a category. After that you can add the subcategory, which is optional. Select a tag or create a tag, then you should indicate the price. Click on the check mark icon. You can add an account. You can set the cycle. You can also set the time. You can indicate the start date and the end date as well. And you can add notes to it as well. Click on the button confirm down below, and here you can see your input. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.